Are you tired of cleaning products that promise safety but pack a punch of harsh chemicals? Well, I've got something for you that'll not only solve your cleaning woes but will do so in a way that's safe for your entire household. Let me break it down for you. This little gadget is a game changer in cleaning. It uses electricity to take everyday ingredients, water, salt, and vinegar, and transform them into a powerful, all-purpose cleaner and disinfectant. We're talking about killing 99.9% of germs without any of the harsh chemicals you'd usually find in traditional cleaners. No fumes, no nasty residues, and no more worrying about using it around the kiddos or pets. Let's face it, going back to school means germs and lots of them, but with force of nature, you're not trading off what works for what's gentle. It's like bleach's powerful cousin, but without the danger. You can use it on practically anything: countertops, baby toys, pet gear, you name it. And here's how it's saving you big time. Not only is this cleaner effective, but it'll also save you up to 80% per ounce compared to those big-name brands. Plus, it's eco-friendly with reusable bottles and recyclable capsules. You're helping the planet while keeping your home spotless. Force of nature delivers the power of a bleach-like clean with the safety of a gentle product. It's easy on your wallet, family, and the environment, so what are you waiting for? Let's get cleaning smarter, not harder.